the draw tool commands. So the first one is the, so what are the draw tools are there? Line is there, polyline is there, circle is there. Circle is also having the more types of circles. Okay, and arc is there. So different types of the arcs are available here, and rectangles. So rectangle is there and polygon is there, and ellipse related is there, and hatch related things are there. So just we will cover these all the draw tool commands today. Okay, so the first one is the line. So generally the AutoCAD will followed by the only the command oriented tool. So if you want to draw anything, so generally mostly you should prefer on the command orientation. So line is there, just click the line, and when you see that here the following system is okay, so the system is going on the absolute coordinate system generally. So absolute coordinate system means, so the user interface, okay, so the particular this place is simply to take the one origin. So that origin is the, let me take the, for example, 0, 0. So that is the our origin. So if you want to mention the any input parameters, so based on that origin, you will also assign that values. So the specify the first point. So the specify the first point is, so just click that 20, 20. I will give you that 20, 20. So then next, so just have a look here. So that is the, so here polar mode is there. Okay. So next point is the 120. Okay. So 120 is there. Next one is the 120. 120 again. Next one is the again 20. So next one is the, sorry, the value is not 20, so 80. Specify next point. Actually we are missing this particular place. Just have a look, escape and delete this line. Why? Because we shouldn't give the exact dimension value. So go to the line, enter, and first point. So now the first point is just where you have to end our polygon. Okay, so that is this point. So next point is this point is again 120. Just we will give that, and now connect it to this point, the end point. So I will create the one rectangle by the help of our line command. Okay. So this is the way to give our input values for creation of the rectangle by the help of our line command. So now if you want to put it some dimensions, so then there is a dimension. Okay, so dimension is there. So just click that and just click that particular line and simply to get the dimension value. So the dimension is not representing, just I will show you that. So just have a look. So how much the dimension? This is the 120. Okay, so just zoom in and zoom out. So then simply to get the dimension value, and simply to get this value also. So this value I thought that, so just have a look, 120 rectangle. So this one is okay. Now I escape that, and now go to the next one. So the next command is the polyline. So for example, if you want to draw the polyline, so then how you do that? So that is the example is also will be there in our tutorial. So that is the help text. So the polyline, generally when we take the polyline, so that simply to say that a 2D polyline is connected to the sequence of segments created as a single planar of the object. So not only this specific shape, so that is the 2D polygons. If you want to create the polygons, then simply to make that polyline. So just I will take that, and starting point is there. So for example, that starting point is to specify first start point in this place. X value and Y value. X value is 150, 20. So this is my start point. Okay. So now I will give the 100 and upside is 50. So give the direction, sir. So by the help of this mouse operation, so simply to give that again 50. So then 50. So then again 150, and now connected to this first point. So if you want to create this type of the polygons, that is easily to constructed by the help of our polyline command. Okay, so that is mainly helpful for our polyline. And now another one is there, that is the circle. Just have a look here. Circle command. So circle is there, circle. So circle is okay. So there are lot of So there are more types of circles are available in this particular command. So let we completed the total types of circles by the help of this command oriented. So just have a look here. So specify the center point of the circle. So our specify the center point is, for example, here. So that is the 120 and 20. Okay. So 80 comma 80. For example, our circle radius, center point is the 80 comma 80. And now radius of the circle. So what is the radius of the circle? So let they take the 50 mm. Okay. So generally 50 mm is already default will be taken to that. If you will take the only default value 50, then only simply to enter. So if you want to change that, so then change it. So that is the radius of the circle is the, for example, 100. Then simply to make it 100 is there. Okay. And now put it the dimension. So dimension is the, so just have a look where the center of the circle is. Okay. So that is the, so polar is there. So that's why it's there. Okay. Okay. Just dimension. Just put that. So if you want to see that this dimension, then simply to zoom out. So then how much? So 200. Why? Because radius already given the 100. So that's why 200 dia of this particular circle. And now let's get this and another type. So this is the only you should give the center value and the radius value. So now going to create the another circle. Now diameter. So for example, if you want to give the diameter wise, so first give the our center. So that is the, again we are taking the 80 comma 80 and diameter. If you want to go with the diameter, so then simply to enter the capital D, and diameter of the circle is the 200 is there. So but if you want to give the So that is the diameter is the 120 only. Okay, 120. So then have a look here. So this circle is there, 120. Okay. So then simply to put it the dimension also. So this circle. Okay. So 120. Okay, 120 circle. So that is the another type. And another type is also there, circle again. So that is the 3P is there, 3P, 3 point is there and 2 point is there. Just you will choose the 3 point circle. So 3 point circle. So for making the this one, okay, for creating of the 3 point circle, first you will create the, okay, specify the first point on the circle. So that point is, for example, this point is the my specify the first point, and the second point is the just have a look. So that dimension. So I will give you the dimension, that is the 150. A dimension is the 150. And the third point on the circle. So the third point on the circle is just have a look here. So that is the 120, for example. So just have a look. So this is the our 3 point circle. Okay.
3 point is 2.6.
No. First point is the this one. Specify the first point, and second point is the this one. Third point is the this one. Okay, 3 points. And then next one is the again another one is there 2 point circle. So circle is there, and just choose the 2 point 2P, enter, and here specify the first end point of the circle. Circle's diameter. Okay, so just click that. So for example, this is the first end point, and next one is the second end is the, okay, so second end is the, so if you want to give the only direct end point, so if you want to give the direct end point, so this one, so the dimension is the 250, for example, direct, only 2 points, first point to end point, but 3 point is different and 2 point is different. And next one is the again circle is there, another type. Okay, so circle command again. So now T, capital T, that means the TTR. So T is there. Okay, so if you want to create the TTR circle, so just have a look here. I want to create the this point. Okay, specify the first point of the object. So this is the object, for example. So sorry, this is the object. Okay, and specify the radius of the circle. So that radius is 125 given. So just have a look. So I will choose the first point is the this circle, and second point is the this one, this line, and the third one is the radius. So when I am giving the default radius is 125, then simply to getting the our TTR circle. Okay, tangent TTR circle. Okay, so this is the way to creation of the circles. Okay, by the help of the our command oriented, and at the same time our this one also same. And now go to see that. So just have a look here. So now arc is there. Okay, so arc. So before going to arc, so just we'll take the this one. So rectangle. So for making the particular work, so just deleted the this area first. Delete. Just choose that this way. Okay, just choose this one and delete it. Okay. Now go to the rectangle. So just enter that rectangle. Rectangle. Okay, rectangle. Enter. So what they asked here, so just have a look here. So specify the first corner point. Okay, so that corner point is, I will give you that 20, 20. First corner is 20, 20. And specify the other corner point. So that other corner